This is a 2021 Ford Bronco. It's the new body style. It's a really great looking car, and it was unfortunately in a recent hailstorm. This client opted to file an insurance claim and choose our shop to bring it to have the repairs done. And when they came in, they were excited about getting the dents taken out of. You can see them all over. They were excited about getting the car looking right. And they also noticed that we had some really nice shiny vehicles in the shop. And they said, well, I've got scratches on my car. What can I do to get mine looking the same way? Tell me about this ceramic coating. Well, we looked over this vehicle and it has a little more than scratches. It's been really well loved. They've taken it off-roading. They've had some run-ins with some tree branches. And this is gonna need a little more than just a traditional paint correction and ceramic coating. This is gonna be doing something called a 3-stage, even into a wet sanding correction to get some of these scratches out. The great news is it's an incredible use of their time. For hail damage, there's always a few days where we're waiting on insurance to come in and actually inspect the vehicle, waiting on insurance for approvals, for parts orders and things like that. And we're gonna maximize that time by offering a full paint correction, basically to get every scratch that we can possibly get out of this vehicle, get it looking incredible, and then ceramic coat it once the hail is removed.